Hey guys, so if you don't know, I'm doing crochet lessons every Monday and Friday, and if you want to do them, you can email me at shelbywag123@gmail.com. It's shelbywagg@gmail.com. So if you want to take the lessons, you can always email me and I'll invite you. It's on Zoom. So let's get started. Today we're going to learn how to do a chain. So first, of course, we're going to have to start with a slip knot. So you're going to make a loop to where it kind of looks like an E. And then you're going to put the loop over the bottom of the E. And then you're going to take the line and pull it up. But make sure that this line doesn't come all the way through. So that's a slip knot. So then you tighten it onto your hook by pulling it. So that's a slip knot. You start most of your crochet projects with a slip knot, all of them. So now we're gonna learn a chain. Chains are pretty simple. All you do is you take your hook, and the grabber is always facing your chest, and you take it and you go under the yarn. So once again, you go under the yarn and you pull it through the loop. You're gonna go under the yarn, and you're pulling it through the loop. And make sure the yarn that you go under, that's what you're gonna grab and pull through. So under the yarn, through the loop. Under the yarn, through the loop. Under the yarn, through the loop, under the yarn, through the loop, under the yarn, through the loop. So that's how you do a chain. How you know it's a chain is it should look kind of like a braid. So that's how you do it. And if you get stuck or you don't know how, you can email me, or two, you can always pause the video or run it back to see how it works if you don't get it by the first time. Like one time, I watched a video 5 times before I got it, so it's okay if you don't get it the first time. Just keep watching the video, and I hope you have fun.